Be sure to read and fully understand this document before installing and operating your Stazz product. Failure to do so can result in item failure, property damage, or serious injury. Item failure, injury, or property damage due to improper installation is not covered by warranty. Mark the cabinet for installation. Begin installation by securing the brackets level within the cabinet with the screws. Now, assemble the drawbar. Adjust the drawbar width and then tighten with the hex screws. Install the clothing rod onto the main frame and secure tightly with the screws provided. Complete a final check by pulling down the rod.